You telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
What's up, what it do? It's your girl KB and welcome to my channel, y'all. Since you're here, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Before I get into this video, y'all, let's talk about this wig that I made. This is some Unice or Unice hair that I ordered offline. It came really quick and I decided to make a wig up out of it. No, I did not bleach knots up on it or anything like that. I just put it together really quick and I just wanted my hair done. And no, I did not record myself doing it, shaking my head. Like I said, I was in a rush and I just wanted my hair done. So if you want to see me do another wig, if you like this hairstyle, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, something like that, okay? Period. So let's talk about the main reason that this video is happening, you guys. I went out, got me a camera, you guys. So I got me a PowerShot SX740 HS. So this is a great vlogging camera with Wi-Fi built inside. The camera, the screen does flip up and is adjustable. You know, you can hold it at certain angles, just like that. Like I said, it does have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It has all like the regular notches that the camera would have. It does have like the grip little holders right there and right over here. It does have a little flash button right there at the top. I've been using my two iPhones, my iPhone 8 and my iPhone 11 Max Pro, whatever, to do editing and vlogging since I started YouTube. Yes, it's been kind of stressful because of having storage issues and all that stuff. So for me to get a camera is totally an upgrade and I'm so excited to use it. No, it's not the latest camera, no, it's not the best camera, but it is a great starting vlogging camera. Like the lady at Best Buy said, shout out to her. So like I said, and yeah, this is a great camera. The quality on it is really good. It's really bright. Did I say this is a Canon? This is a Canon. I just like it, you guys. So for me to get a camera, I'm so excited. And just because you're recording off your phones, that is not a bad thing. I know people still have cameras and they still do it, and I'm going to be doing that as well. I'm just tired of using my phones, you know, and so this is gonna be something different for me. I'm gonna have to start using my laptop again and starting to use editing apps on there. So this is just a start, you guys. Just because I have me a camera does not mean that I am bigger, I am better. I am just elevating to the next step. You have to put in time, you have to put in effort, dedication, money, all that stuff in order to get where you need to get to, especially if you want to have a YouTube channel. I don't have all the subscribers, I don't have all the views in the world, but I'm working on that. So if you have to, you know, take time from work just to go focus on a channel or one certain video, go do that. Stop focusing on just being like, oh, I have to go to work, I have to go to work, I have to go to work. No, you do not. Don't worry about that man's dream because they're already getting their money. They already made their money. They already did their thing. They already made their goals. They are set. But it's you. You need to work on yourself. So if you have a goal out there you're trying to reach, you're trying to start a business, you're trying to take some trips, take those risks and go fucking do it, because I don't want to be like that older person, you know, 40, 50 years old, like, all I did was work my life. I didn't get to travel. I didn't get to go this. I didn't get to do that. So all I did was work. I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be working for the white man all of my life. I cannot. I don't want to do it. Even if I don't have if I am working for the white man, I got my own little shit on the side and I'm still working my way to be solely on me. So don't stop y'all grind. Keep it pushing. Keep going. Don't let nobody say that y'all can't do it. And also the main thing I would say, promote yourself. I don't care if Susan, I don't care if Rayshawn, I don't care if Marcus, Courtney, Brittany, Ashley is not supporting you. Just because one person is not sharing your content, isn't sharing your videos or liking it or anything like that, does not mean that there's millions of people out there that will. This is a world full with millions and billions of people. So just because one person don't like your stuff, there's other people that will, okay? So I am just excited that I got me a camera and I am ready to start using this motherfucker today. So if y'all want to see all kinds of content from me, please let me know, because I got all kinds of stuff in store. I got some trips coming up, some vlogging trips, all kinds of good stuff, you guys. So keep it up. Whatever y'all doing out there, keep it freaking up. Don't listen, because we don't got time to keep going back all 2021. Okay, so This is a new year. You're supposed to be elevating. Do not dwell on the past. Just take deep breaths. If you have to, close your eyes, take deep breaths, and just focus. And you're like, dang, what is it that I need to do? What is it that I need to focus on? What I need to do to go on to the next step in my life? Because who's going to do it better than you? No one. And mama told me was, if you want something done right, you got to do it yourself. And that's fucking period. If you want something done right, do it yourself. And that's what I had to learn. So I'm not waiting on nobody to do this for me. I'm not waiting. Absolutely not. And I'm just glad because with my YouTube channel, like I said, I don't have all the subscribers, I don't have all the views in the world, but that is okay to me because I am growing. Seeing my numbers and stuff go up, whatever, is absolutely amazing to me. Like I said, even if it's one subscriber, even if it's one view, one click, it's happy. It makes me happy because, like I said, I started with literally zero subscribers, 0 views. I didn't even know what watch time, hours, and all that shit was. I just thought I can just hop on YouTube, make a video, and that was it. Absolutely not. That's not how it goes. So do your research, figure out what's best for you, figure out your niche. Like, I mean, people really have to do their research. That's all I gotta say. So with all that being said, you guys, watch me thrive 2021. I am excited for this year because last year was shitty as hell. So the grind does not stop ever. So thank y'all for watching this little video of mine. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Be blessed. And thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one.